Hi, my name is Ryan, and in today's video, I'm going to be helping you guys multiply polynomials, mainly on trinomials and stuff like that to make it a little easier. So let's start off with a regular polynomial. And let's do the usual FOIL first. Outer. Inner. And last. And then add like terms. And there's your answer. However, you might get a little harder of a problem, such as x squared plus 3x minus 10 times x plus 4. So what you could normally do is FOIL it, but at a longer way. Or what you could do is you could do the box method. So the box method starts off with a box. And then what you do is you write each one on each side. So let's put the x and 4 on that side, and the x squared, 3x, and negative 10 on this side. And then let's draw in some lines, like so. Now what you do is you multiply across. So you would multiply the x squared times the x, which will give you x to the third, and then 3x squared, because you multiplied the 3x times the x, and then you would get negative 10x, because you multiplied negative 10 times x. Same thing for this row. So that would be 4x squared, 12x, and negative 40. So what you notice here is that you could add the like terms. So you got x to the third plus 7x plus 2x minus 40. This way will make it a little easier and cause you to have less of a mistake, because basically it just puts it out in a box and it makes it really easier to notice what you're doing, and yeah, just a lot better. Let me show you also why it's better. Perhaps you get a problem like this. Or let's try about and then x to the third plus 4x squared minus 7. So now what do you do? Well, just like last time, you would probably, if you were normally foiling it, you'd be like, come on, Ryan, why would you give me a problem like that? But let's just do the box. So let's just make it a lot easier. So we got the box right there. We got x to the 2, 2x, and 3. My apologies. 3. And then let's trace in the lines. And then we got 4x, 3x, or x to the third, 4x squared, and negative 7. Same process. X to the 5, 2x to the 4, 3x to the 3. We got 4x to the 4, 8x to the third, and then 12x to the 2, and negative 7x squared, negative 14x, and negative 21. Let's just add them together. So we got x to the 5, got this one and this one, which will be plus 6x to the 4, and we've got this one this one, which will give us 11x to the third. And then we have this one, which will get us, let's see, that's plus 5x squared minus 14x minus 21. And that's your answer. So that's a lot easier than just factoring it out or multiplying it out. So I'm also going to show you a little bit of a different way you could also done this one. So it's the same concept, the same box, just a little bit of a shortcut. So same thing, let's write, so we got, let's see, let's write this one on the side and let's put this one on the top for a change. And I'm going to do something else, 4x to the 2, and then 0x minus 7. And then we got x squared, 2x, and 3. Okay, and you're probably thinking, well, this looks different, but it's really the same thing. X to the 5, then we have 4x to the 4, then we have 0, then negative 7x squared. 2x to the 4, 8x to the 3, 0, negative 14x. Yeah, 14x. And then 3x to the 3, 12x to the 2, 0, and then negative 21. And notice, this way you can add a little bit easier, because you can take the diagonal numbers and add them together. So all diagonal, which will get you x to the 5th, then you add, plus 6x to the 4th, then add again, plus 11x to the 3rd, then add again, plus 5x to the squared, then minus 14x minus 21. And look at that, it's the same exact answer. So that was just a little bit easier also because you could add diagonally. And that way it makes it a little easier because there could be, if you do it the other way, there could be an x3 here and, you know, an x3 over there, and it could make it a little bit confusing. If you add that 0 in, it makes it a little bit easier and a little more organized. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was the box method, and I hope this was very helpful for you. I definitely like doing the box method over foiling. Especially those long ones. I would foil if it was just a regular 2, you know, like the x plus 2, x plus 5. I would do the foil for that, but bigger than that, I would recommend the box method. It's definitely more helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely be looking out for more tutorials, more tips, and be sure to let me know if there's anything you'd like to know, maybe a shortcut I can look into to help you guys out on some of this other kind of math, you know. It could be polynomials, it could be anything really. So, thanks for watching.